Hi guys, I'm Sid and you're watching the very first episode of whatever the hell this cooking channel is called. Things right here. Today I'm going to show you a super easy recipe. Anyone can make it as long as you have a microwave, a mug, a bowl of mac, a little bit of milk and a little bit of cheddar cheese that is a little melted. Cool, so like I said, that's all you need for this. You need a little bit of macaroni, like half a cup or a mug, about 45-50 ml of milk, and about 2 to 3 tablespoons of your favorite cheese. Can be anything, but I like using cheddar, like I said. Very simple. All you need to do is take half a glass of water, or half a mug of water, and if I don't spill it, there you go. Right, so you got your mac and your water, and then we're gonna run to the microwave. Not bad. Cool, so this thing goes in the microwave super high for about 2 minutes. So depending on the microwave that you have, you may need to put it in for 2 minimum at least, or maybe 4 minutes. But yeah, I like seeing the thing go round and round. All right, let's pull it out. You may have some water left out over there. Don't worry, mom will take care of that. Now, if you look at this, you can see it's sort of like cooked. It's like al dente, which is what it's supposed to be. Back to the show. All right, welcome around. Cool, so now that you have your semi sort of fully cooked pasta, you take your milk, put it in, and then you take a cheese and you dump it in. Give it a nice mix. I know it's gonna look like messy and stuff like that, but that's fine. So once you've stirred it up nice and it looks all golden and welcoming, then we run back to the microwave. And we put it in for a minute. So about after a minute, it's hot. You can have something that looks like this, all nice, and oh my God, it's beautiful. Just give it a nice stir. It's hot. Like I said, mom will take care of that. And yeah, we basically go back here. Bon appetit! Oh my God, that's beautiful. Dig in, guys. All right, so if you guys like this recipe, try it out. Let us know in the comments, how it came out. And don't forget to like, follow, share, subscribe, do whatever you gotta do to help us grow. And a couple of tips. You can use any pasta you want. This works with spaghetti, this works with penne, this works with whatever it is. Apart from that, like I said, whatever cheese you want, you can use. Very important thing, make sure it's cooked well, otherwise you're just gonna have like crunchy pasta, which is not nice. Cheers!